Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Blue in a fish costume. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with two eyes. We're going to draw a number 8 lying on its side. And inside number 8 we're going to draw two pupils. And of course a light reflection. Right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. So two lines and then make it nice and round on top. Let's color the pupils and the eyebrows in. Right below the eyes, we're going to draw a nose. So we're going to draw this sort of a semicircle, and then in the middle I'm just going to draw a little line, and then I'm going to draw the nose like this. And then right below that, let's draw a smile. I'm going to draw a line down, and then from this line I'm just going to draw a nice big smile. And this side I'm going to do about the same. There we go. And we can draw a little open mouth as well. Now I'm going to draw a pear shape, and I'm going to start right here next to the eyebrows. I'll show you now what we're going to do. And we're going to draw the pear shape like this, and then we're just going to connect these two lines with each other through the jawline and to that point. Now on top I'm just going to draw these little curves because it's going to be a little hat, and then I'm just going to make it nice and round on top. I'm going to leave a gap open. I'm going to take it to that side, and I'm going to draw a little stem or something sticking out there. Good. On the side of the cheek we're going to draw two spots on the sides, and there's Blue's head. Right on top I'm going to draw the ears. So I'm going to start this side, and I'm just going to draw a nice ear, and I'll just bring this line around, all the way around, onto the top, over the top, back to the head, and I'll just draw a little spot there as well. On this side I'm going to draw the same kind of ear. So Blue got these big beautiful ears going all the way around, back to the head. Maybe I'll draw a little spot there as well. I'm going to start here at the neck, and I'm just going to draw a little line down, and then I'm going to draw a foot, a front foot. There we go. Or a paw, a front paw. There we go. I'm just going to take it back, and I'll draw a little spot there. And then on this side let's draw another paw. Maybe two toes. The third toe can be there at the back, and then right here I'm going to make the body. I'm going to draw a body there, and this is going to be the fish costume, and we're going to draw little scales as well, and another scale, and there we go. Now I'm just going to draw the fin, the back fin. There we go. And just a few little lines, maybe something like that. And now we can draw the other foot. Take it all the way around, and that's the back foot sticking out, and maybe just a fin here at the back as well. And there we go. That was easy. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and you can color Blue in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.